हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू द सेशन। कैसे हैं सारे के सारे बच्चे? माय नेम इज अरविंद सुथार. आई एम अ पास आउट ऑफ IIT Roorkee. I have been teaching for the last 5 years, and in this today's session we're going to talk about combinations under the topic permutations and combinations. Okay, yes. So what is the meaning of combination बच्चों? Combination का meaning होता है selection. जैसे मान लो टीम के सिलेक्टर्स ने 15 लोगों की टीम विराट कोहली को दे दी कि यार दीज आर द 15 प्लेयर्स, इसमें से जिसको तुम खिलाना चाहो तुम खिला सकते हो मैच के अंदर। तो विराट कोहली के पास 15 ऑप्शंस हैं, जिसमें से विराट कोहली विल बी सिलेक्टिंग 11 पीपल फॉर मैच। द प्लेइंग 11 he will be selecting out of those 15 players. तो वो विराट कोहली कितने तरीके से उस टीम 11 प्लेयर्स को सिलेक्ट कर सकता है, उसके तरीके 15C11 हो जाएंगे। यानी कि अगर मैंने बोला n लोग हैं मेरे पास, उसमें से मुझे r लोग सिलेक्ट करने हैं, तो आई यूज द फॉर्मूला NCR। अब ये है क्या? जैसे देखो, मान लो एक प्लेइंग 11 के अंदर रोहित शर्मा को लिया और बाकी के 10 प्लेयर कोई है। अगर रोहित शर्मा को नहीं लिया, रोहित शर्मा की जगह किसी और को ले लिया, तो वो 11 प्लेयर्स का सेट एक अलग सेट हो जाएगा। यस और नो? मान लो एक बारी विराट कोहली खुद रेस्ट करने बैठ गया और उसकी जगह कोई और दूसरा प्लेयर आ गया, तो वो भी एक 11 प्लेयर का सेट हो जाएगा। राइट? तो इस तरीके से अगर वो 11 प्लेयर के सेट बनाएगा तो कितने तरीके से वो बना सकता है, प्रोवाइडेड कि उसको 15 लोगों के नाम दिए गए हैं, जिसमें से उसे 11 सिलेक्ट करने हैं। दैट विल बी गिवन बाय 15C11. I hope everybody is clear with this, and how to evaluate the value of NCR I hope everybody knows. तो बढ़ते हैं आज के सेशन में बच्चों। This is the complete schedule which is being followed on the Vedantu JEE channel for all of you. My class is on TT days, Tuesday and Thursday 7 p.m. Daily at 7 p.m. we do have classes taken by Love Sir, me and Suri Sir. Alright. जो लोग मुझे ऑलरेडी जानते हैं, they gonna hit the like button. जो नहीं जानते हैं वो कुर्सी की पेटी बांध के रखें और वीडियो को पूरा देखें। अगर आपने वेदांतु जेई चैनल को अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो। तो अगर मुझे n डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि n डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट अगर आपको दिए गए हैं और उसमें से आपको r ऑब्जेक्ट्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं, तो कितने तरीके से आप सिलेक्शन कर सकते हो? NCR से कर सकते हो, और NCR का फॉर्मूला ये होता है। Everybody? Yes. We have already seen that NPR is nothing but n factorial over n minus r factorial. So can we derive to this conclusion that NCR is equal to NPR over r factorial? Because these are the two formulas for NCR and NPR. तो हम उसके थ्रू ये चीज समझ सकते हैं। Yes, everybody, are we guys clear with this or not? Everyone in the chat box, do let me know. Clear है? चलो, all right. एक question करते हैं. In how many ways can a team of 4 boys and 4 girls, मुझे 4 boys select करने ही हैं, 4 girls मुझे select करनी ही है। Boys मेरे को total दिए हुए हैं 6, तो 6 boys में से मुझे 4 boys select करने ही हैं, and मुझे 5 girls में से 4 girls select करनी ही है। अगर मेरे पास 6 बॉयज हैं तो ऑल द बॉयज गोइंग टू बी डिस्टिंक्ट। ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि कोई बिल्कुल एक जैसे होंगे, नहीं, आइडेंटिकल तो हो नहीं सकता, इंसान है, तो गोइंग टू बी डिस्टिंक्ट ओनली। तो इन 6 डिस्टिंक्ट बॉयज में से द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट 4 बॉयज। तो इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन आई डू दैट? n डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में से अगर मुझे r ऑब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट करने होते हैं तो आई यूज द फॉर्मूला NCR। तो यहाँ पे आई कैन मेक द सिलेक्शन ऑफ 4 boys out of 6 in 6C4 ways. Similarly, out of 5 girls, I need to select 4 girls, so I can do that selection in 5C4 ways. Now, the question is saying that you have to select 4 boys as well as you have to select 4 girls. Why? Because look, there is the word and coming. This should be and. 4 boys and 4 girls to be selected. यानी कि हमें 4 बॉयज भी चाहिए और 4 गर्ल्स भी चाहिए. So whenever and is there, we are given a condition that we want both of them, and whenever a word condition is there, we need to multiply. We have seen this in fundamental principle of counting. So this is going to be my number of teams in which 4 boys and 4 girls are there. Everybody clear with this? So we know that this is equal to 6c2, this is equal to 5c1. 6c2 is equal to this particular thing. So 15 into 5, 75 is going to be your answer. That is D for Delhi. कितने बच्चों को ये चीज समझ में आ गई यार? जरा बता दो मेरे को. How many of you guys got this? समझ में आ गई? अच्छा, किसी को अगर अभी भी ये सिलेक्शन का फंडा समझ में नहीं आया तो आई विल गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल ओवर हियर. Let's say these are three people given to me and the question is saying select 2 people. If it is saying select 2 people, so I can take AB, I can take BC together, I can take CA together. Now if I am talking about selection, AB and BA are going to be same. Why? Because AB is also a combination of A and B, and BA is also a combination of B and A, because we just need to select. It doesn't matter in which order they gonna lie. So the very important thing I'm going to mention over here is selection के अंदर order doesn't matter. किसके अंदर ऑर्डर मैटर करता था? परम्यूटेशन के अंदर ऑर्डर मैटर करता था, whereas in selection order doesn't matter. तो अगर ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं कर रहा है तो AB and BA both will be counted as same in selection. In permutation AB and BA were different, whereas in selection AB and BA going to be same. Similarly BC and CA going to be same, CA and AC going to be same. So in how many ways we can select these? 3 ways. Yes or no? Everybody? Okay. And if we use the formula, out of 3 distinct things we want to select 2, so 3c2, and 3c2 is nothing but 3. So this AB, BC and CA, these are the 3 ways in which I can select 2 people out of A, B and C. I hope everybody is clear with this concept. So in permutation, order does matter. In selection or combination, order doesn't matter. That means AB and BA going to be same in selection, whereas AB and BA are going to be distinct in permutation. Because permutation is arrangement, combination is selection. Everybody clear with this thing or not? Do let me know in the chat box. The correct answer of this question is coming out to be 75. Alright, let's do one more question. In a network of railways, a small island has 15 stations. एक आइलैंड है जिसके ऊपर 15 स्टेशंस आते हैं. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टिकट्स टू बी प्रिंटेड फॉर ईच क्लास इफ एवरी स्टेशन मस्ट हैव टिकट फॉर अदर स्टेशंस. 15 स्टेशन है. यस और नो एवरीबॉडी? हाँ जी सर, मेरे पास 15 स्टेशन है. उन 15 स्टेशन में से मान लो मैंने स्टेशन 1 लिया, तो स्टेशन 1 पर जो बाकी के 14 स्टेशंस बचे हैं उन सब की टिकट मिलेगी. सिमिलरली स्टेशन 2 पे अगर मैं गया तो वहां से बाकी के जो 14 स्टेशंस हैं उनकी टिकट मिलेगी. जो स्टेशन 3 है वहां से भी बाकी के जो 14 स्टेशंस हैं वहां के लिए टिकट मिलेगी एंड सो ऑन. तो मुझसे ये बोल रहा है फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टिकट्स टू बी प्रिंटेड फॉर ईच क्लास इफ एवरी स्टेशन must have tickets for other stations. जैसा कहने का मतलब क्या है देखना. Station 1 से Station 2 is going to be 1 ticket. Station 1 से Station 3 is going to be another ticket. Station 1 से Station 4 is going to be another ticket, and like this you're gonna get 14 tickets from Station 1. Yes or no? Yes sir. If I talk about the ticket from Station 2 to Station 1, the ticket from Station 1 to Station 2 to Station 1, tell me this ticket and this ticket is same or distinct? First tell me this. ये जो टिकट है S1 से S2 और S2 से S1, ये दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है? मुझे बताना. ऑब्वियस सी बात है दोनों अलग होगा क्योंकि डिपार्चर और अराइवल अलग अलग जगह पर हो रहा है. एवरीबॉडी यस और नो? ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस डू रीच आउट टू. सही बात है एवरीबॉडी? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So can you tell me in how many ways you can have your answer, everybody? जल्दी से बताएंगे मुझे. In how many ways you can have your answer, बच्चों? Come on. Come on, everybody. A, B, C, or D. Come on. The correct answer is coming out to be 210. How come? Let's see. For each pair of stations, let's say I'm picking any two stations, random stations. There should be two different types of tickets which are required. एक तो अगर मैंने S1 और S2 सिलेक्ट कर लिया तो S1 से S2 एक टिकट और S2 से S1 एक टिकट. Yes or no, everybody? Now, if out of these 15 stations, if I first want to select randomly any two stations, it can be done in 15C2 ways. So I have two stations with me. And for each pair, I need to have two tickets. That means 2 times 15C2 I'm going to do, and that is going to give me my answer, that is 210. कोई भी दो स्टेशंस अगर आपने रैंडमली ले लिया, 15 स्टेशन से दो ले लिया आपने, चलो कोई भी दो ले लिया, अब उन दो स्टेशंस के बीच में दो टिकट्स चाहिए होंगी, ए से बी और बी से ए. So into 2 you're gonna do, and that is going to be your answer, that is 210. I hope everybody got this. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Selection of objects, at least one it is asking, right? Yes. Let's say if n distinct objects are given to me, and out of those n distinct objects the question will be saying to me select at least one. Select at least one means I need to select one or more than one. So if n things are given to me, I can select one thing in n7 ways. Either I select one, or I select two, or I select three, or I select four, and so on I'm going to do, or I select all of them. Yes or no? In every case, am I selecting the thing more than one or not? At least one, sorry, at least one or not? NC1 means out of n distinct things, select any one. So isn't it at least one? Okay. NC2 means out of n distinct things, select any two. Isn't it at least one? Yes. At least means kam se kam ek. At least means kam se kam ek. So I can say that I have this kind of choices, that either I can make one selection, or I can make two selection, or I can make three selection, or I can make four selection, and so on I can go. I'm using the word or, and or gives me a choice. And whenever choice I'm having, I add. So do I need to add all these things or not? Everybody tell me. So the number of ways are going to be NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 and so on till NCN. Now we know that in binomial theorem, NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus NCN is 2 to the power n. So can I write this thing as 2 to the power n minus NC0, and NC0 is nothing but 1. So isn't 2 to the power n minus 1 is going to be my number of ways, everybody? Yes, this is when the objects are all distinct and the question is saying us to select at least one out of those n available. Everybody, at least one means I can select one, or I can select two, or I can select three, or I can select four, or I can select five, and so on. So NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus NC4 till NCN is going to be my answer, which is nothing but 2 to the power n minus NC0, and NC0 is nothing but 1. Hence, I can get the answer of the first. We use the formula NCR in selection only when n distinct things are given to me. I am making a very important point over here. We use the formula NCR only in the case when n distinct objects are given to me. Only in that case. Alright, chalo. A basket contains 5 different fruits. Okay. In how many ways a person can select at least one fruit? So out of these 5 fruit, a person can select one fruit, or two fruit, or 3 fruits or 4 fruits or 5 fruits. I know that I can write down this thing as 2 to the power 5 minus 5c0, which is nothing but 32 minus 1, that is 31 is going to be my answer. At least one means कम से कम एक, तो 0 select नहीं कर सकते, 1 कर सकते हैं, 2 कर सकते हैं, 3 कर सकते हैं, 4 कर सकते हैं, and so on. So my answer is going to be 32 minus 1, that is equal to 31. How many of you guys got this answer, बच्चों? All right, let's do this question. Find the number of groups that can be made from 5 different green balls, 4 different blue balls, and 3 different red balls, if at least one green and one blue ball is to be included. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या है, ये चीज क्लियर है? आपके पास 5 डिफरेंट ग्रीन बॉल्स दी हुई है, 4 डिफरेंट ब्लू बॉल्स दी हुई है और डिफरेंट है, 5 ग्रीन बॉल्स भी डिफरेंट है, 4 की 4 ब्लू बॉल्स भी डिफरेंट है, 3 की 3 रेड बॉल्स भी डिफरेंट है. आपको एटलीस्ट वन ग्रीन और एटलीस्ट वन ब्लू इंक्लूड करनी ही है. अगर मैं ग्रीन की बात करूं तो दिस कैन बी डन इन हाउ मेनी वेज? 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5. That means 2 to the power 5 minus 5c0, because you have to select at least once. At least one green ball हमको select करनी है, तो 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5. That is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 5c0. All right. एक blue ball select करनी ही है. That means 4c1 plus 4c2 plus 4c3 plus 4c4. Okay, so this can be done in 2 to the power 4 minus 1, and there is no condition on red ball given. That means you can select any number of red balls. Any number of red balls you can select. That means you can select 0 red ball, you can select 1 red ball, you can select 2 red balls, you can select 3 red balls as well. So this is going to be 2 to the power 3. Yes or no, everybody? Yes? Okay. If the question is saying me find the number of groups that can be made from 5 different green balls and 4 different blue balls and 3 different red balls, you just have to do what? You have to select green ball as well, you have to select blue ball as well, you have to select red ball as well. That means you just need to multiply all these 3 things, you're gonna get your answer. So 2 to the power 5 minus 1 is 31, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 is 15, and 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 8. Just multiply all these things, what you're gonna get is your answer. So what is our answer coming, everybody tell me? 31 into 15 into 8 is coming out to be 3720. Isn't it everyone? किस किसका आंसर आ गया? जल्दी से मुझे बताना यार ये चीज आ गया. चलो, so we're gonna talk about distribution in the upcoming classes. So here I am attaching the slides. The people who have already gone through this, they're gonna learn all the things from there. And जिनको ये चीज नहीं आती है, don't worry. जब मैं आपको ये चीज पढ़ाऊंगा तो आपको ये चीज आ जाएगी. So the guys who want to learn live at Vedantu, they can join our Vedantu Pro subscription, in which you're gonna get live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes. That means this Vedantu Pro subscription is going to be one-stop solution for all of your preparation needs. Why I am calling it as live and interactive? Because there we can see each other, we can talk with each other, and we can clear our doubts. Number 1. Number 2, fun visualizations, quizzes and leaderboards which make the classes interactive and competitive, you're gonna get on the Vedantu platform. Number 3, there will be daily classes on the patented wave platform of Vedantu, and also to get personal attention, you will be getting dual teacher model teaching, which means one teacher will be teaching you and another one will be clearing out your doubts. Apart from this, if I talk about the content at Vedantu, I have taken one crash course last year in November, December, and I have seen that from that crash course only 15 to 16 questions in every paper of JEE has come directly. That means what? This shows the quality of the content that Vedantu is coming up with, so that you guys can maximize your score in this examination. Now, look, even a crash course students can get this much here at Vedantu. Imagine if you are learning for long term, how much you're gonna get in these classes. So you're gonna get exclusive tests so that you can apply practical, you can apply the concepts that you have learned. Number one. Number two, you're gonna get mock tests and subject-wise tests also, and result analysis, so that you can evaluate your performance and what you need to do. For that, you can work on that. Along with this, assignments and notes. Regular assignments will be given so that you can maintain the progress. Number two, replays and recordings, class notes and study material you will have accessible for 24/7, and important textbook solutions also you will get. Why? What is included in Vedantu Pro is full syllabus will be covered, 20 plus master teachers will be teaching you over there, tests and assignments in the form of 10,000 questions you're going to get. English or Hindi, you can learn you can learn in whichever language you want to learn. 4,000 hours of live teaching. If you need crash courses for quick revision, or you need test series so that you can evaluate your performance, you can also have that. You can visit this link vedant.in/ytpro to grab this offer, and don't forget to use the coupon code ASPRO before making the payment. If you are a JEE dropper and you want to learn something, if you are willing to prepare for JEE 2021 as well, guys, Vedantu has come up with specific course for droppers as well. What you have to do, the batches are starting on 21st of September. These are the teachers who are going to teach you in that particular batch. The 1 month subscription fee for V Pro Lite for JEE droppers is 4899 per month. 3 months ka fees will be 3966 per month, and 6 months ka fees will be coming out to be 3499 per month. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's learn live at Vedantu. If you want to know that what is the fees of JEE Pro subscription, then I'll tell you beta. If you are in class 12, you should go ahead with at least 6 months or 12 month ka pro subscription. If you are in class 11, तो 12 month का subscription बनता ही है. So this is available at just rupees 31799. That is, it is coming roughly out to be 02066 per month. But if you apply the coupon code ASPRO, you're going to get further discount of 30%, and you can grab this offer which is limited right now. So vedant.in/ytpro, go onto that link, select the 12-month subscription, use the coupon code ASPRO, and grab this offer of 30% discount now. If you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, Vedantu JEE का Telegram group join करिए, क्योंकि वहां पर assignments, notes और daily updates सारे के सारे मिलते हैं. अगर आपने वेदांतु इस वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखा है, तो don't forget to hit the like button, share across your friends, and subscribe to the Vedantu JEE channel, because here the team of IITians is working day in and day out so that we guys can make your dreams into a reality. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.